Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Windows users face when creating a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 1124H2 using Rufus. When customizing the Windows installation, you may come across the option to disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. But the burning question is, if you check this option, will you still be able to activate the BitLocker device encryption later on? Let's find out. In the solution provided, it was explained that checking the Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption option in Rufus only overrides the defaults provided in the ISO by Microsoft. This is done by enabling the Prevent Device Encryption flag in the unattend.xml file. Essentially, this customization allows you to skip the automatic device encryption during the initial setup. But fear not, as you can still manually enable BitLocker within the Windows 11 interface at a later time. So, the power is in your hands to decide when and how to activate BitLocker on your device. In summary, when creating a bootable USB drive for Windows 11 with Rufus, remember that disabling BitLocker automatic device encryption is just a temporary custom setting that can be easily adjusted post-installation. You have the freedom to enable BitLocker whenever you see fit within the Windows 11 interface. And with that, we've cracked the case on BitLocker encryption during the Windows setup process. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tech savvy, folks.